Homeowners in Metairie are always looking for smart ways to improve their homes while increasing property value. One upgrade that consistently delivers both aesthetic appeal and practical benefits is the installation of picture windows. These large, fixed-pane windows are designed to provide unobstructed outdoor views while bringing natural light into the home. In Metairie neighborhoods, where charm, comfort, and curb appeal matter, picture windows can significantly boost a home's overall value. Enhancing natural light and interior appeal. One of the most noticeable advantages of picture windows is the amount of natural light they bring into a home. Because they feature large panes of glass without grills or moving parts, they allow sunlight to flood interior spaces. In Metairie homes, this can transform living rooms, dining areas, and open floor plans into brighter, more inviting spaces. Natural light not only makes rooms feel larger and more welcoming, but it also enhances interior design elements such as flooring, furniture, and decor. Potential buyers often view bright homes as more attractive and comfortable, which can positively influence their perception of the property's value. Creating stunning outdoor views. Metairie neighborhoods often feature beautiful tree-lined streets, landscaped yards, and charming residential scenery. Picture windows are designed to frame these outdoor views like a living piece of art. By installing a large picture window, homeowners can highlight their yard, garden, or neighborhood surroundings while making the home feel more connected to the outdoors. This visual appeal is particularly valuable during home showings. Buyers tend to appreciate homes that feel open and visually engaging, and a strategically placed picture window can become a standout feature that makes a lasting impression. Improving energy efficiency. Many homeowners assume large windows might lead to higher energy costs, but modern picture windows are designed with energy efficiency in mind. High-quality models typically include advanced glass technologies such as double or triple panes, insulating gas fills, and low emissivity coatings. These features help regulate indoor temperatures by minimizing heat transfer. In Metairie's warm climate, this means keeping cool air inside during the summer while reducing the strain on air conditioning systems. Improved energy efficiency can lower utility bills and increase a home's appeal to buyers who value energy-conscious upgrades. Boosting curb appeal. Exterior appearance plays a major role in determining property value, especially in well-established neighborhoods like those found throughout Metairie. Picture windows can dramatically enhance curb appeal by adding a sleek, modern design element to the home's facade. Unlike smaller traditional windows, picture windows create a bold architectural statement. When positioned at the front of the house or in prominent living spaces, they give the home a more contemporary and visually striking look. This type of upgrade helps properties stand out in the neighborhood and can make them more competitive in the local real estate market. Increasing perceived home value. Homebuyers often look for features that make a property feel updated, bright, and visually appealing. Picture windows contribute to all of these qualities. Their clean design, expansive views, and ability to brighten interior spaces can make a home feel more upscale and thoughtfully designed. Because picture windows have no moving parts, they are also durable and require minimal maintenance. This reliability can reassure potential buyers that they are investing in a home with long-lasting improvements. A smart upgrade for Metairie homeowners. For homeowners in Metairie, installing picture windows is more than just a cosmetic upgrade. It's an investment that enhances daily comfort while improving the home's overall market appeal. From brighter interiors and beautiful views to better energy performance and improved curb appeal, picture windows offer multiple benefits that contribute to increased property value. When carefully placed and professionally installed, these windows can transform both the inside and outside of a home. For many Metairie homeowners, that transformation can make all the difference when it comes time to sell, or simply enjoy a more beautiful and valuable living space.